Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the essentials of Azure networking. Whether you're just starting with Azure or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about virtual networks, or VNets. Think of a VNet as your own private slice of the Azure cloud. It's like having your own data center, but without all the hardware. Within a VNet, you can break down your network into smaller segments called subnets. This helps you manage and isolate different parts of your network, ensuring optimal performance and security. Next, we've got network security groups, or NSGs. These are your first line of defense in Azure networking. NSGs act like firewalls, controlling inbound and outbound traffic to your VNet. You can set rules based on IP addresses, ports, and protocols, making sure only the right traffic gets through. Think of it like setting up bouncers at the doors of a club, ensuring only the right people get in and out. Now, let's discuss Azure VPN Gateway. This is your bridge between your on-premises network and your Azure VNet. It provides a secure connection over the internet, allowing you to extend your data center into the cloud. Setting up a VPN gateway involves configuring a virtual network gateway in Azure and then configuring your on-premises VPN device to connect to it. It's a bit like setting up a private tunnel between your office and Azure, making sure all your data travels safely. So, to recap, VNets give you your own space in the cloud, NSGs protect your network, and the VPN gateway securely connects your on-premises network to Azure. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you next time.